Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn the auto refresh mode on or off in ClickUp. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to keep your dashboards or team spaces always up to date, without having to manually hit that refresh button, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to manage the auto refresh feature, making sure your workspace is always synced to show the latest information, or if you prefer, stays just how you left it. Let's jump right in. First, we'll start on the left pane of your ClickUp interface. Think of this left pane as the navigation center of your ClickUp world. Everything important branches from here. You'll want to look for Dashboard. This is where all your high-level overviews and custom widgets live, whether you're tracking sprint progress, sales KPIs, or content calendars. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. If you've set up multiple dashboards for your different workflows, you'll see those listed out. Take a moment and select the dashboard you want to work with. If you're not sure which one to pick, just open the main dashboard you use most often. It's a good place to practice. Once you're inside your chosen dashboard, look to the right side of the screen. You're searching for the section labeled Auto Refresh. This setting is a bit tucked away, but it's there, designed for easy access if you know where to look. You'll see an indicator showing whether Auto Refresh is currently enabled or disabled. If you see that it's on and you want to turn it off, for example, maybe you're working on a report and don't want your data changing underneath you, simply click on the Auto Refresh On button. Once you do, it'll switch off and you'll notice it now says Auto Refresh Off. Enabling Auto Refresh is just as easy, and you might want to do this if you're working in a dynamic environment, like monitoring tasks as your team updates them or tracking live performance stats. To turn it back on, you just click again and you'll see it update to Auto Refresh On. It's really that simple, but don't worry if you don't see the change right away. Sometimes ClickUp needs a moment to update, especially if you're working with a lot of data or embedded widgets. Now here's an extra tip. This feature isn't limited to just dashboards. You can also find auto refresh in your team spaces. Team spaces in ClickUp are like digital hubs for your teams, where everyone collaborates and tracks their own specific goals and projects. To check the auto refresh setting here, pop over to your team space by clicking Team Space in the left pane. Then, just like before, find the auto refresh control on the right side. Again, you can toggle it on or off depending on whether you want real-time updates or a static view to work with. And that's really all there is to it. Managing auto refresh in ClickUp is straightforward, but understanding how and when to use it can make a real difference in how smoothly your work flows. Whether you're optimizing dashboards for live updates or setting up spaces where data stays constant, these settings put you in control. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another ClickUp feature you'd like to learn about. And be sure to subscribe. There's lots more tips and guides coming your way to help you get the most out of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.